According to this table from Mazari.io, the current price of Bitcoin is $20,679. Its all-time high price was $68,721, which was 7 months ago. The cycle low so far is $17,664, which is a 69.93% decrease from the all-time high, and we still don't know if this will even go below. The rest of the market is even faring worse. Ethereum is down 77%, Solana is down 83%, and XRP is down 90%. So the question now is, what caused the market to crash? When will it recover? And what can you do now to stay profitable during this bear season? All these questions I will answer in this video. If you're excited about it, please like the video, subscribe if you've not, and pin the bell icon. Let's get started. The crypto market crashed due to 4 factors. One is the Feds. Every country desires a thriving economy in both the good times and the bad time. The Federal Reserve, also known as the Feds, is in charge of these in the United States. The Federal Reserve is the United States central bank. It is the world's most powerful central bank. The Feds determines and manages certain things to ensure that the US economy is thriving. Money printing, interest rates determination, open market operation, and so on, an example of the things that they manage. The economy may thrive depending on how these issues are handled, but it may also experience inflation and even recession if they are not handled properly. Inflation is simply when there is more money in the economy than there are things to spend it on. Price increases as a result. So if the government prints a lot of money and pumps it into the economy without increasing production, it means that people will buy out the products, causing scarcity and price increase. So what you could previously buy with, say, 100 naira will now cost you 120, 150, or even 200 naira. As a result, your money has been greatly devalued. This is called inflation. And a recession will result if this inflation happens on a regular basis, consistently and rapidly. Now let us consider the implication of this in cryptocurrency. In 2020, we had the COVID-19 pandemic, which resulted in a lockdown and forced people to stay indoors. Now, the Feds does not want the economy to stagnate. Remember, the economy needs to be thriving. If the economy stagnates, they will lose control of the people, riots and protests will be on the streets, and people might starve to death. To prevent this, they took 2 actions. One is that they printed more money. Up to $600 were given to people per month. 2, they lowered interest rates. So interest rates is the interest you pay when you borrow money from the bank. With low interest rate, people can borrow more money, buy houses, buy cars, build businesses, spend as they want, knowing that they're going to pay minimal in interest rates. Now, we have established that these things lead to inflation. So, if I have a lot of money in the bank before the Fed issue out their stimulus package and start printing money in excess, I will hedge against the devaluation of my money by putting it into, say, real estate, gold, stock, and cryptocurrencies. And you guys know that cryptocurrency is really easy to and fast to put your money in and get it out. And guess what? A lot of people did the same thing. Now, this influx of new money into cryptocurrency shot the price of cryptocurrencies to its all-time high. And this money came mainly from macro investors. Now, in late 2021, the Feds hinted they will raise interest rates. At this time, they have stopped printing money. This is a way, that is raising interest rates, it's a way for them to start pulling out money from the economy and give value to the dollar again. Now, this again triggered the initial sell in 2021. People were like, okay, we need to pull our money out from crypto and put it back into dollar because that is going to get value, and others are going to do the same. So it might make the price to fall. The initial sell out happened in 2021. The confirmation of this year led to further sell out, leading to the downtrend of the cryptocurrency price. Now, this is a major cause of the market crash. Let's look at others. Number 2 is war. Ukraine is under attack and Russia is sanctioned. Because Ukraine is attacked, they can't produce and take out products from the country, and Russia is sanctioned, they can't do the same, so they can't take out products from Russia. Russia and Ukraine accounts for 29% of the global wheat supply and 62% of the global sunflower oil. Egypt gets 80% of its wheat from Russia and Ukraine. Half of Tunisia wheat supply comes from Ukraine. Pakistan, Ethiopia, Turkey, Eritrea, Somalia, Madagascar, even Tanzania, Congo, and Namibia all depends on Russia and Ukraine for wheat. Wheat, in some cases, makes up to 60% of the consumption of some of these countries. Not only this, Brazil, Argentina, and Bangladesh rely on Russia for fertilizer. Other major exports include barley, corn, oil, and gas. Since this produce from Russia and Ukraine can no longer get to these countries, it means that they will become scarce, leading towards increase in price, and people will have to start liquidating their assets to be able to afford these things. And assets includes crypto. So this also led to sellouts and downtrend of crypto. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure you kindly like this video. I would really appreciate it. Now, the third contributor is the Terra ecosystem, the Terra network. Luna and UST fell from a market cap of over 50 billion US dollars. During this time, the Terra Lab Foundation sold over 80,000 Bitcoin to solve the problem. This is over $3 billion worth of Bitcoin sold. Of course, this is going to lead towards more downward spiral of the Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem. You guys know that this did not even solve the problem because Luna and UST crashed. I made 2 videos about this. Make sure you check it out. The latest contributor is the Celsius network. Celsius network is a centralized lending and borrowing platform. They disabled withdrawal from their platform of recent, leading towards panic. So people start saying that their Bitcoin and withdrawing from other platforms they can withdraw it from. But this is not a cause of the crash. It's more like an effect of the crash that led to further downward spiral of the whole crypto market. The last effect is the ripple effect. Now, when prices start to fall, every other trader, both macro investors and retail traders, will start selling their crypto, further sending down the price. Now, they are selling so as to buy again when the price hits bottom and stabilizes to make profits. And this brings us to the question: when will the market begin to recover? To answer this question, look at the market cycle. So far, there has been 3 major cycles of bull and bear season. Let's look at what caused them. So the first one happened in 2013 to 2015, and the dominant cryptocurrency then was Bitcoin. It hit an all-time high of $1,127 and a low of $200, which is a minus 82%. Now, 90% of Bitcoin traded globally was done on this exchange, Mt. Gox. Mt. Gox was hacked and 740,000 Bitcoin were stolen, crashing the price of Bitcoin. So that caused the first Bitcoin crash. The next cycle was 2017 to 2018. We had 2 dominant cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin all-time high was 19,423. Its low was 3,217, and it is a minus 83%. Ethereum got an all-time high of 1,448 and a low of $85, which is a minus 92% crash. Now, what caused the crash in this cycle is that there were a lot of ICO scams and Ponzi scheme. People literally got tired of being scammed, pulled out their money, and the market crashed. Now we are in the next cycle, and I've told you what caused this crash. Bitcoin all-time high in this cycle is 68,721. Its low so far is 17,664, which is a minus 89%. Take note of the percentage. Ethereum is 4,487. Its low is 897, which is a minus 77.08. If Bitcoin and Ethereum were to go as low as its previous cycle low of 83% for Bitcoin and 94% for Ethereum, it means that Bitcoin is going to go as low as 11,400 and Ethereum as low as $280. Will this happen? I don't know, but a lot of persons have speculated that crypto market has actually crashed to its bottom and it is stabilizing and we should expect an upward trend. But time will tell. So what can you do to stay afloat in this bear season? I made a video on 5 profitable ways to make money with cryptocurrency. This works both in the bear season and in the bull season, and I think it will actually work better in the bear season. So I'll just give you an highlight. Make sure you watch that video because I gave more highlights in that video. For one is to find a job in crypto. There are lots of jobs. A simple Google search will land you some jobs available in crypto, and I gave more examples in that video. 2 is to learn. When you learn, you understand how the system works and you can invest better and know the projects you want to support. When you learn also, you can build a project, right? Because that is the next thing you can do. You can build a project from the knowledge you have acquired. The other one is DCA, dollar cost averaging. I made a video on how I make 15 million naira by investing 20,000 naira monthly during a bear season. You can check out that video. You can do DCA throughout this bear season and you can make a lot of money in the bull season. Other one is to stake. When you stake, you earn more of that cryptocurrency. Then you look out for opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities in the bear season. The coins that are actually solid comes out in the bear season and makes you generational wealth in the bull season. Guys, all this I've said, know that it is not also a financial advice. All right, so always do your own research. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not. Like the video and pin the notification bell so you get all the updates that come out on this channel. I'll see you in the next one.